Hello students, today we are going to study skeleton system. So in that, what is skeletal system? So it is internal framework of the human body which gives support, protects and provide lever for locomotion and other movements like eating, walking, talking, running, jumping. So all movements are because of the skeletal system. So human skeletal system is made up of mainly 206 bones and it is of the 20% of the body weight, and main function is to give support, forms the locomotory functions, then it gives muscle attachment, and there is marrow in the long bones, so that helps for the erythropoiesis and other blood cell production, and it maintains the shape of the body. So first part is skull. So it is mainly skeleton of the head, and it is of many cranial bones like frontal, parietal, occipital, temporal, sphenoid, ethmoid, and the main function of the skull is to protect the brain from the injury. Then second is the vertebral column. So it is a column present in the back side. So mainly there are vertebrae which are irregular in shape, and there are total 33 vertebrae in the vertebral column, and they are of different types according to the location. So they are cervical 7 number, thoracic 12 number, lumbar 5 in number, sacral and coccygeal 1 in number. And the function of the vertebral column is to support the skull and to protect spinal cord and then all the back movements, and helps in all the lower limb movements like walking, running, jumping. Then thoracic cage. So it is mainly made up of sternum, 1 bone, ribs, total 12 pairs, that is 24 in number, and thoracic vertebra 12. So main function of the sternum is to protect the internal organ, that is heart and lungs present in the chest. Then ribs, they are attached to the sternum, and few ribs are free. So those which are attached, they are called as true ribs, and those not attached, they are called as false ribs. So these are the thoracic cage which functions for the protection of the internal organs like heart, lungs and aorta. Then two girdles like pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle and pelvic girdle or hip girdle. So they are mainly for the upper limb movements. Pectoral girdle helps so the all hand movements, and pelvic girdle helps for the lower limb movements. And the bones attached to pectoral girdle are mainly clavicle and scapula, and for the pelvic girdle they are mainly hip bones and femur. Then joint, it is a when many bones come together they form joint, and joint is mainly for the locomotion of the human body. There are different joints like fibrous, cartilaginous, synovial joint, and inside the joint there is a fluid that is called as synovial fluid, which acts as a lubricant and provides nourishment and then maintains stability and prevent the end bones to get separated from each other. So because of the joints, there are all upper limb movements, lower limb movements, or locomotion, that is movement of the human body from one place to another place, is possible because of the joints. And the movements like flexion, extension, pronation, supination, eversion, so all these movements, neck movements, back movements, all these movements are possible because of the joint. So this is about the skeletal system in short. Thank you. I hope this session you will find useful. Thank you.